Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to Van Cleef and Arpels, and actually I recorded this vlog some time ago when I went to order and then pick up my birthday gift, but I never uploaded it. I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I posted quite a few videos about Cartier, Van Cleef and Arpels, Bulgari, Rolex, luxury tips and mistakes, Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. I'm so excited to be back, but unfortunately the store does not have a lot of items available, especially after holidays, and I'm going to pre-order my earrings for my birthday. And since I'm in the store, I'm going to check out some beautiful items as well and show them to you too. When I came into the store, I noticed this butterfly right away. It is such an exquisite piece and it definitely took a lot of work to create it. I really love the way the stones are reflecting the light. They are so gorgeous. There is one thing about Van Cleef and Arpels brooches though. The pin is actually quite thick, so it's not easy to try it on. I could not try it on properly because I didn't want to make holes in my Dior bar jacket. I didn't want to damage it, but you can imagine how it would look. Many jewelry brands have a special fine jewelry line, but I feel like Van Cleef and Arpels is just on whole next level. It's the most beautiful and the most special I have ever seen. Moving on to another absolutely stunning creation, and this one is made of white gold and diamonds, and they sparkle so bright. I have to say Van Cleef and Arpels white gold is so different, it looks like platinum. The color is actually even lighter than platinum. A few years ago, probably until 2018, I was so obsessed with white gold. I used to buy everything in white gold and I collected quite a few jewelry items in this metal. Even back then I still liked yellow gold, but for some reason I thought it could be a bit too much. But then I decided to just go with whatever I prefer and started focusing on yellow gold and bought a lot of, actually most of my jewelry right now, especially from Van Cleef and Arpels, is from yellow gold. I decided to give up on white gold, but Van Cleef and Arpels is making me reconsider my decision. The gold is so stunning, and especially in this beautiful piece. There was also another gorgeous piece that I wanted to show to you. This one is really beautiful. The style is quite different. I actually prefer the butterflies. It's more my style. I feel like it's more youthful, but this one is gorgeous too. It has been a few days and I came back to Van Cleef and Arpels to pick up my order. While I'm waiting for my earrings, I'm going to check out some other items as well. And I have to say, Frivole collection is my absolute favorite. I purchased 2 earrings in full yellow gold, and I also have the in between the fingers ring. I posted quite a few videos about them and I will link them down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check them out. In some of my videos I talked about adding another pair in white gold without diamonds, but unfortunately that pair of white gold earrings would not have a matching ring, and I love to make sets. And I actually don't have pavé jewelry in yellow gold, so I'm thinking if I should add it to my wish list. I would like to have different pieces in my collection, so when I get older I will not have any regrets for not adding something. and Frivole has been going up in price, and if you ask me, I still think it's undervalued compared to other lines, so I think it might increase in the future as well. I find Frivole design so elegant and feminine. However, the jewelry with diamonds does not reflect the light in the same way as the shiny surface with a diamond in the middle. They are quite different, that's why I'm still considering to add it in yellow gold with diamonds, even though the shape is the same. Which one do you guys prefer? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're going to say. This set with the ring is so gorgeous. By the way, there is an assumption that the pavé earrings cannot get scratched so easily, but actually they can, especially the edges. And unfortunately, that is exactly what happened to my friend's ring. So you still have to be quite careful with them, even though they have diamonds. By the way, this ring and earrings also come in a pink gold, and I tried on the ring before in one of my vlogs. I will try to find that video and link it down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. The reason I didn't want to go for it is because the pink gold did not really stand out on my skin tone. It looked a little bit washed out. So I decided to go for the yellow gold because it sparkles a lot more, and I feel like yellow gold suits me more, unless it's a pink gold from Bulgari. For example, this serpenti bracelet is in pink gold and it just looks so beautiful. I absolutely love that shade, and it is a lot more flattering on my skin tone at least. Okay guys, now let's compare with the white gold, which is absolutely gorgeous. And I also like the ring, it's so pretty. Actually, this jewelry on its own is even more beautiful. I just love the design and the icy look, it's so stunning. And the shape is so lovely and it looks so flattering. But I have to say, I probably would not be able to wear the whole set on a daily basis, maybe only earrings and the ring probably for a special occasion or when going out. Even if I decide to go for a set, I'll probably get the earrings first and then think for a while and add the ring next. Also, I would not be able to wear this jewelry with my yellow gold love bracelet because I don't like how they look together, they don't really match. Unless, of course, I stack my Cartier love bracelet in yellow gold with another pavé bracelet in white gold. But I feel like whenever I put on pavé jewelry, I cannot wear too many pieces, otherwise it looks too much. Actually, sometimes I feel like less is more. Anyways guys, which gold do you usually go for? Yellow gold or white gold? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're going to say. Anyways, I'm going to think for a while about adding one of the sets to my wish list. And if I decide to add it, I'll probably get the earrings first, followed by the ring. And before I make my decision, I also want to check out the Lotus collection. Previously, before the shortage of everything, I saw it in the stores so many times. And this ring is gorgeous. I'm not sure why I never wanted to try it on, but I think it's absolutely beautiful and I wanted to show it to you as well. It feels quite comfortable on my hand, even though the ring is a little bit too big on me. Unfortunately, the store did not have the earrings as well because I also wanted to try them on. And there are two sizes, small and large. And I think the small would suit me more because I think it's a bit more appropriate for a daily wear. But it is still quite hard to guess whether it's heavy or not. For example, on this picture, it looks like it's kind of sagging the earlobes. I can't really tell. I have to see it in person. And I'm also curious about the size of the Lotus. Would that be the same as the first one from the right or the one in the middle? Anyways guys, this is it. I also posted the unboxing video of my gift, and I will also link down the unboxing of my Christmas gift in case you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!